Hello lovely students, in this lesson I'm gonna teach you how to solve radical equations. Before I start, I would like to refresh your memory. Number one, how to get rid of a radical from the equation. Let's say radical x equal 2. The way to get rid of radical is, the opposite of the radical is power. Since the index is 2 and it's not shown, the index is 2, then we have to raise both sides to the power of 2. If the index is 3, we raise to the power of 3, and so on. Radical with power of 2 cancel each other, then x equal 4. The second thing is the opposite. What if you have x to the power 3 is equal to 1? How to get rid of the power 3? The opposite of the power is radical. So what we do is raise both sides. I will do cubic root of both sides. Do we have to put plus or minus? No, only in case the index is even. So no need for plus or minus. This cancel each other, then x is equal, the cubic of 1 is 1. The third thing I needed is to remember, how do we expand a bracket to the power of 2? There are two ways. The direct one depends on the rule, and the second way is to write x minus 3 to the power of 2 as the product of two brackets. I prefer the first one. So what we do is x to the power of 2, the first to the power of 2, minus, it depends on the way, on the sign, 2 multiplied by the first, multiplied by the second, plus ever the second square. Then we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 to 50. What we do first, isolate the radical. We're gonna have cubic root of x minus 5 to the power of 2 is equal 50 minus 14, which is 36. I have two things to do to be done now. I have cubic root and have bracket to the power of 2. Two questions in one question. It's up to you. You get rid of the radical, cubic root, or you get rid of the power of 2. I prefer to get rid of cubic root. To get rid of root, as we explained, we raise to the power 3. Then x minus 5 to the power of 2 is equal 36 to the power 3. If you want to evaluate 36 to the power 3, you can, or at the end you can. X minus 5 to the power of 2 is equal 46,656. The question is x minus 5 to the power of 2. To get rid of the power of 2, we do the opposite of power, which is square root. We raise square root both sides, and don't forget plus or minus because the power is even. Then x minus 5 is equal plus or minus 216. The problem is solved. Now we transpose 5 to the other side. X equal plus or minus 216 plus 5. We're gonna take plus 216 and then negative 216. We will get 221 and negative 211. Also, you need to check. When you replace 221 and negative 211, you will find both of them accepted. No extraneous solution.